Right, hello there. This is basically I'm having a bit of some problems with Cubase, trying to use it as both an output and an input, using two different kind of sources of audio. Basically, what I've done is I've got my camera connected here. In this case, very quickly, if I can just show you, my camera is a microphone really, but obviously I'll be using something better quality, which is what I'm trying to have. The camera is hence connected onto the computer's motherboard via a USB cable, and that is actually a microphone kind of thing, and that is the keyboard going into it. And I can show you very quickly that system preferences, sound. Okay, that the output is going as external. The input is actually selected as the Logitech camera. I'm not using the internal ones. Right, basically, once I start Cubase is where I'm having some problems. I'm not going to start Cubase, and I'm trying to. But basically, when I use, I want the computer to play the sounds out of it, but I also want to record out of the mic, and I can't do that because they're considered by Cubase to be different things, which means they are. And if I go to devices very quickly, if I can just show you this device setup. At the moment, the VST audio system is set built-in audio. It's using built-in audio, right? So that means obviously that I can play. That's what I want to happen. Basically, I want the computer to play the sounds, so that I don't have to have like expensive setup. I mean, I've already spent enough. And I want to just obviously able to use the computer to play the sounds, which is all right, and record though. This is the difficult thing. I want to record via USB mic, so I can use the computer. So basically, I'm having to use two devices. One is to actually play the sounds, the computer's built-in thing, and one is to record the sounds, which is the microphone. And on Cubase, it sees that as two different things. So the problem starts when I try to tell Cubase, because obviously if I do that now, and say I can record vocals now, so I'm trying to record, say a session. Okay, forget the thing there. Sorry about that. Can't cancel the feedback here. Okay, that's gone. So if I record that, okay, you can see just about hear the notes, and I'm recording my voice as well as I'm doing it. See, that's what I'm trying to do. Right, and there's can't obviously stop it. Otherwise, actually, they're going to talk, and I only had to just wait for them to finish talking because they want to talk. Okay, let them finish talking. They want to talk. They're my neighbours that they want to talk, and they're not going to let me while they want to talk. They want to make themselves heard and important because they're very important, so they want to be heard to be important. And you're operating the key at the moment. That's very important for them because it's very secure, and they're very intimate with the key, and they're very important as well. So they need to be considered while they're doing all that. So basically, I've selected that. What I would like really is to record not using the microphone that's built into this thing, and that's where I've run into some problems. The device setup. What I've done is I've tried to use this. This is the first thing I tried. I tried to change the device setup to use the Logitech camera. Yes, I went to search. And then I found that yes, convert, keep, yes, whatever that means, I don't know, I have no idea. And basically I'm trying now to use that system, and this does not allow me to have more than one kind of source. It's only going to let me have one, and I've tried to look into how to do it, and I found that I could create aggregate devices, aggregate system, audio systems, using the applications, utilities, MIDI setup, and I'll be able to use one that combines the input of the camera with the output of a sound. But still on Cubase it does not let me have different things for output and input. Apparently other programs do, but this don't. So once I selected one of these here, so it will come up as a list thing here, but I still would not be able to. This will come like my aggregate driver that I've created with the MIDI thing, the MIDI setup thing. But it still would not let me actually have assigned different outputs. This will still come up as the same. So that's why I can't really work out how to progress from here. Do I need a program, or do I need more hardware? Anyway, that's about it. Thank you very much, sir. Cheers.